To recall, no? So we create our configuration using name my money, and then we build our building blocks. We first use the catalogs for our accounts and categories, and then we also add another blocks, which is the documents to record our events or transactions as income and expense. Of course, with the help of accumulation register, so that the application should determine the balances and the turnovers for our accounts and expenses. And of course, the reports that we last discussed, if you want. No? So open your Infobases. I hope you are already here in our OneC Enterprise developer interface. Then open your configuration window. So this is our configuration window. And then again, go back to our configuration My Money, no? The one at the top of our configuration window. So this one. So right click this part and then click the properties. So under the properties, no, if you can still remember, we name it My Money, and then it generates the synonym based on our name with a space, and then look for purposes. Now use purposes. So in this case, our use purposes is here. So try to click the ellipsis button. Again, if you did not see this ellipsis button, try to drag the edge of the left edge of that property palette or window to the left, no, so that it display the ellipsis button. So if you already see the ellipsis button, click this ellipsis button, and then you will see these two options. In your case, there's the mobile platform application is unchecked. So what you're going to do is to check it. So meaning this application that we create using OneC Enterprise platform is we can use it for a PC application and also for mobile. So you will see the My Money. So you can click My Money and then it will show your created application. So you can test it using the mobile app platform of OneC Enterprise. So it has the same functionalities as the desktop versions that we have. No? So you can also try another application that you create, not only this one. No. No, that one. For example, my OneCA record. And so you can also test it using the mobile app platform of OneC Enterprise, no, OneC mobile platform. So that is the difference between the license that we use to create our own APK. Because if we create our own APK, only your application will be run by that OneC platform. Like this one, the icon above, when you click it, and then it will run the application itself. No, the one that created the applied solutions by the developer. So we cannot add another. So if you notice, there is no adding of published file here, no, because it will run immediately the applied solutions created using the APK. So that is the perks that we get in enrolling OneC Skills Camp for 5 to 6 months for free, now without paying any costs, and you will learn something new, and then you will get some perks, surprises, and prizes, and some of the already mentioned by Sir Joey, to when you enroll in OneC Skills Camp 2022. No, so before I end up, I will leave it to you. The hashtag skills matter. Learn, develop, improve the world. So I will see you on our OneC Skills Camp. So
that was quite interesting and complicated, but definitely an additional knowledge for all of us. Okay, so as mentioned by Sir Ricky a while ago, so what makes one's enterprise platform difficult for now, because it is new to us, we are not yet familiar with the platform. Okay, but once you get a deeper understanding of the platform, so it will become easier. So remember, we have the Hello World or Hello 1C, so where we were able to create a simple inventory system, no, without coding. So that's what makes 1C platform easy. Okay, and then before I discuss about the assignment, so I would like to add another objective of gearing up. Okay, so as mentioned earlier, so we have different phases. For example, the junior developer training course, that's the basic training phase. So all the passers will proceed in the next stage. Okay, so to sum it up, so all participants from gearing up that will join uh, the One C Skills Camp 2022. So we will try our best to guide you from the start and hopefully up to your certificate for gearing up for 1C Skills Camp 2022. So we have divided it into two parts. No, so the one that was discussed by Sir Ricky all along is for the technical. So if you want to do the technical part of the assignment, so you will be submitting the My Money app, created, of course, in 1C Enterprise platform. However, for those who had difficulty doing the sessions, you could do a theoretical assignment. So this will be a reaction video or reaction paper about 1C Enterprise platform. Okay. So again, to those who want to submit a My Money app, so you could check all the episodes at 1C Skills YouTube channel. We will be also uploading the hashtag shortcuts. So these are the short version of all the episodes. And we will also provide you the PowerPoint presentation so you could do the task step by step. Okay. All right. So, okay. So you must submit the reaction video or paper or the My Money app via 1cskillscamp@gmail.com. So that is 1cskillscamp@gmail.com. So together with your full name. So your full name will appear, or the name that you will indicate will appear on your certificate. Okay, so what's next on gearing up for 1C Skills Camp 2022? So next week we will be having our final episode, episode 6, hashtag geared up for the camp. Okay, so we will also begin the formal registration for 1C Skills Camp 2022, which will 1cskills.com to register and know more about the camp. So every detail is on 1cskills.com. The schedule is indicated on that website, so you will know why will it take 5 months, no, for the training. So because we have different phases. Okay, so I hope everyone will proceed in 1C Skills Camp 2022. Okay, so if you do not have any questions, so once again, thank you, Sir Carlo, thank you, Sir Ricky, and all our participants who joined us today. As for the participants who failed to join us today, so you may watch all our episodes again via 1C Skills YouTube channel, and then you could still submit your assignment to get the certificate. Okay, so this has been episode 5, hashtag 1C Enterprise License version. See you next week in hashtag geared up for the camp, gearing up for 1C Skills Camp 2022 closing program. So thank you very much. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.
Welcome everyone to Gearing Up for 1C Skills Camp 2022. We hope that you're all doing fine. We at 1C Company and Shift 101, together with our global and local partners, are excited to bring you our first ever IT series. The objective of this series is to prepare you, our participants in 1C Skills Camp 2022. We are now on our final episode, episode 6, hashtag Geared Up for the Camp. Today, we will have an overview of 1C Skills Camp 2022. But before that, we would like to thank 1C Company and Shift 101 team, our global partners, 1C Vietnam, World Skills Asia, 1C Forest Mongolia, Rice from South Africa, Sina from Colombia, and AJC Dev from Morocco. Our local partners, Baliwag Polytechnic College, St. Nicholas College of Business and Technology, ACLC College Baliwag, Santa Maria, and Malolos. We hope that you will enjoy today's episode. Once again, welcome, and we look forward to working with you until 1C Skills Camp 2022. Let's all learn, develop, improve the world, and show that hashtag skills matter.
Be a part of the third edition of 1C Skills Camp, open to all IT students and professionals, starting April 1, 2022. Register now!
Come on, you can be a winner.
We would like to invite all IT students and professionals to participate in 1C Skills Camp, starting April 1, 2022. Register now!
Come on, you can be a winner. Come on.
To stay ahead of the competition, successful companies bet on custom-built applications that easily adapt to rapid change. Software development is moving away from cumbersome one-size-fits-all monoliths towards customized solutions built using ready-made blocks and toolkits. Rapidly building out high-quality custom IT systems is a challenge. How can you combine speed, flexibility, and robust features that meet the client's business needs? With 1C Enterprise. The 1C Enterprise platform was created to meet the demands of the coming decade. Thanks to a wide range of innovative tools, applications created with 1C Enterprise can automate a vast spectrum of business tasks and quickly adapt to changing processes. 1C Enterprise applications work in the cloud, on all major desktop and mobile operating systems, scale from 1 to thousands of users, and adapt on the fly. Developers can create their own applications, adapt third-party ones, and integrate with applications created outside 1C. High-speed development is enabled by a predetermined data structure oriented towards performing business tasks, combined with a low-code development environment which uses visual editing for a wide range of development cases. All code-based development is done using a high-level domain-specific language in a conceptual model that closely approximates business processes. Most routine development tasks are performed by the platform automatically, so developers can focus on implementing business logic. This allows developers to build corporate systems that precisely match their clients' needs. Data access control is built in at the platform level. Permissions are configured for every object created. Development can be carried out without access to the client's database. Visual development, easy integration of new and existing solutions. These and other tools significantly reduce the time needed to develop corporate-scale business solutions. Over 1.5 million businesses and organizations use 1C Enterprise-based software, with 7,000 partners creating, implementing, and supporting solutions created on the 1C Enterprise platform. Join a massive developer community. Start creating and implementing your own business applications with 1C Enterprise.
1C Skills Camp 2022 Overview. 1C Skills Camp is a series of free trainings and skills competitions for IT students and professional developers.
Why 1C Enterprise? 1C Enterprise is a top platform for corporate automation. 1C Enterprise powers over 1.5 million businesses worldwide. Over 1,000 applications are built and run on the 1C Enterprise platform. 1C Enterprise is used in 93 countries on a daily basis. About 1C Skills Camp. 1C Skills Camp is here to help you to take the first steps as a developer using 1C Enterprise. During the camp, you will learn to create web, desktop, and mobile business applications. As you progress with your study, you will build your own app that can handle the typical business needs. At the final stage, you will present your app in a competition among the participants. Winners will get money prizes as well as tech and marketing support to promote their apps in their local markets. Course is free of charge. Average number of camp participants is 500. We have 20 mentors to support the camp participants and a total of 5 months course duration.
What are the benefits of joining 1C Skills Camp? First, become an enterprise application developer in just 5 months. Second, explore 1C Enterprise, a low-code platform for rapid development. And third, challenge yourself with the real-world business tasks. By joining 1C Skills Camp, you can win: number 1, cash prizes up to $1,500. Number 2, employment opportunities in 1C company and the camp partners. And number 3, invitation to international competitions.
1C Skills Camp frequently asks questions. What kind of apps will participants create? You will create either a web or a desktop application for the back office, plus a mobile app for company staff. For example, it can be an application intended for a small retail business and offer the following functionality: barcode scanning, adding of goods barcodes into a database, sales of goods via the mobile application, scanning of goods barcodes, creation of sales slips, entry of information on sales into a database, inventory control, barcode scanning, display of information on the number of goods, write-off of goods for disposal or replacement. Next, purchase of goods from a counterparty, distribution of goods to shops, registration of employees' working time, calculation of wages, entry of information into the database. Next, creation of reports, including in-stock reports, sales reports, purchase reports, working time reports. And finally, cumulative discounts for buyers. A certain percentage of each purchase is converted into reward points that can be spent on buying goods. Unused reward points expire every month.
What is the training format? You will get video courses for self-study. Every week, you will meet with the camp experts and other participants to analyze and discuss issues arising in the course of the study. After each course module, we will offer you some practice, tasks, and tests. All 1C Skills Camp activities are in English and 100% online. Who can participate? The camp will be good for IT students, beginner, and professional developers who speak English and have some experience with programming languages like Java, C#, Ruby, etc.
What do participants need to have? In order to participate, you need a PC and stable internet connection. The camp will provide all the rest, including 1C Enterprise license, cloud infrastructure for your app, technical support, and other necessary things free of charge. Can participants combine 1C Skills Camp with work or study? Sure, you can combine the camp with your daily routine, watch pre-recorded lessons when convenient. You can also watch mentor sessions anytime you want, and ask your question in the chat.
1C Skills Camp 2022 camp schedule, starting with the registration via 1cskills.com until March 30. First stage will be the basic training from April 1 to June 7 with the Junior Developer Training course, covering basic concepts and skills, main metadata classes, 1C script language basics, UX UI basics, queries basics, and reports basics. Second stage will be the advanced training from June 8 to July 29. with the Engineer Training Course, the Mobile Development Training Course, and the Senior Developer Training Course. Next stage will be the application development from September 1 to October 25, which will involve 1. Selection of the task for a future application, 2. A training based on the selected task with focus on the 1C platform capabilities necessary to complete the task, 3. Practice tasks, and finally, group discussions. And the final stage will be the project presentations and awarding from October 25 to October 30 with the following activities: presentations of the prototypes before the jury, selection of winners, and awarding ceremony.
Be a part of the 3rd edition of 1C Skills Camp, open to all IT students and professionals. Starting April 1, 2022, register now.
Come on, you can be a winner.
We would like to invite all IT students and professionals to participate in 1C Skills Camp, starting April 1, 2022. Register now!
Come on, you can be a winner. Come on. Build your future.
This has been Gearing Up for 1C Skills Camp 2022.
Thank you for joining us in our first ever IT series. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. See you in 1C Skills Camp 2022.